Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn up the blue tick last seen and also I can turn off your presence at the very same time. If you want to know how you can just hide your profile pictures on a WhatsApp, watch this video to learn quick and easy way to just know all of this at once. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up the Play Store or App Store in your mobile application and then in the search bar, search for WhatsApp and make sure just you are using the latest version of WhatsApp application, or if there is any update, just make sure to update the application and then just open up the WhatsApp application. Just tap on these three dots and go for settings, click on privacy, and here you see this option called last seen and online. Just tap on it. So it's same thing on Android and iOS as well. First you have to choose nobody, like I'm already did, you can see that, and choose this option same as who can see I'm online. You can go for anyone or you can go for same as the last scene. I'm going for same as the last scene. And now if you scroll down, well, you can also hide your profile photo. So for this, just tap on profile photo and choose different options like my contacts to my contacts, accept, and nobody. So just tap on my contacts. Example, what's going to happen here, all these people from your contact list will be able to see your profile photo, but other that they are not going to be able to see your profile pictures on your WhatsApp application. And the last option, this blue tick, if you want to turn off your blue ticks, you have to make sure that this toggle is off. Nobody will see your blue ticks. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.